Move room. Mary, Mary, Mary. Oh, there's the ambulance again. Damn. Whew. Almost ate shit. Merry, merry, merry go round. Well, I'm not gonna try to lane split when I hit a green light, but oh shit! God damn. So did he hit the fire truck? No, never mind. Let's slow down a little bit so I don't get pulled over, because technically I don't have my license. Well, not technically, I don't have my license. Merry, merry, we gotta go round. I like to see you down. I don't know how the fuck the song goes. Ah! She has to stop. No, she ran the light. Oh my god. That shit's hilarious. What the fuck? Blinker whore. Woo! How about them apples? I tried to do it. I failed miserably. Alright, let's go to the shop. Woo! Look at this beautiful truck. Check that out. Woo! Yeah! Just being a retard. Ah.